Hi, I'm Zima, a digital marketing expert, and today I'm going to talk about Google's latest algorithm update they just announced last week. Google went full Sesame Street by announcing the Bert update. Bert stands for, and I quote, bi-directional encoder representations from transformers. Whoa, what does that mean? 5 years ago, approximately, Google announced RankBrain, which was their machine learning. Google uses a lot of machine learning for Google Ads, Google Search, and this is how they're serving better results to people that are visiting Google, because people that visit Google are essentially their customers. So what's different about BrainRank? Well, if you looked inside of your analytics, you might be going one of these ways because Google is rolling this out slowly, and Google is putting more emphasis on machine learning and natural language processing in order to qualify better results. Google has been struggling with a couple of examples. One of the examples they would give is, I want to how to park a car with no curve on a hill. So when Google starts taking apart your search results, it's going to struggle with some of those stop words such as to, it, and it doesn't really know about the emphasis. If I was talking to a colleague that was sitting right next to me, we could at least understand the frame of the topic, but Google is getting better and more decisive at serving you better results. And a couple of the examples, they would do 2019 Brazil travelers to US need a visa. Before, they would show you a Washington Post article. Now they're actually showing you the US Embassy to traveling to Brazil. So we're getting a lot better and more clear. So what does this mean for your site and SEO? Can you really optimize for this? Yes and no. No, because this is actually one of the hundreds of ranking factors that Google is using to serve better search results. No, because it is done on the fly and Google is going to take in a lot of different points of data to make a better curated search result to individual people, because the searches that people are looking for might be different than somebody else. We're getting into a very niche specific search rhythm. And the biggest impact is that it's impacting 1 in 10 searches right now. So 10% of all of the searches is pretty big. The biggest improvement that Google is doing on the rich snippets, so that little feature box that gives you that little info insight, that's really important because data is suggesting that the first search result is actually very important for voice searches. So Google is getting better at serving you better results. So this is very likely going to impact the quality of voice searches because we know that's a growing trend. So in order to take advantage of this machine learning, you really have to double down on your content and have really good content that speaks to your customers, and it also solves the user intent, the person that's searching answers for a specific topic or service you may provide, and you provide that with the best explanation possible. Because remember, Google is a text-based machine, and if you're feeding it the best text possible and you're establishing yourself as an industry influencer, then you're going to rank higher. So focus on making really good content, and this should help prepare you into the next update, which I'm guessing is going to be Ernie. I don't know when Ernie is coming out, but I'll be standing by when Ernie does come by. If you have any questions about your ranking, and if you've seen some crazy gyrations in your rankings like I have over the last weekend, drop me a comment and I'll talk to you soon.